Díomh maidin gach duine conas atá sibh maidin. Now, this week on Seachtain Seo, tá muid fécint caitheamh aimsire. Right? So on Seachtain Seo chatte, last week, bhí mar fécint an aimsir. So tá cosú lei sin, an aimsir. Agus sin an weather. Okay? Agus inis tá méid fécint amach an inneog, agus tá sé scamalach, níl sé curbáistí, níl sé gwafer ach tá sé fuair. Now, this week we're looking at caitheamh aimsire. So an will caitheamh aimsire agat. Do you have a caitheamh aimsire? I'll give you a second to see if you can guess. Caitheamh aimsire. On what? It is a hobby. A hobby. An will caitheamh aimsire agat. Do you have a hobby? So can you repeat that after me? An will caitheamh aimsire agat. Ma shiv, well done. Let's have a look at actually why that word is in there, aimsire. Because last week we had aimsire, which meant the weather. So, how does that word also mean hobby? Caitheamh aimsire. Okay, let's have a look here. Now, I have looked up on our dictionary website, changlin.ie, aimsire. And we can see here it means weather. So aimsire va, good weather. Aimsire saora, summer weather. However, there's a second meaning for it, which is time. Okay? So it also means time. You can see here, hús aimsire, since the beginning of time. We've a third meaning is of the time of the year or time of the season. So aimsire na nullig, which means Christmas time. And again, we have down here another meaning for it is tense. Okay, so your aimsire caite, your past tense, so things that happened yesterday. So bhí mé, I was, aimsire caite, past tense. Aimsire loireach, present tense, tá mé, I am, and aimsire áisteanach, future tense, I will be, beg mé. So it has a couple of meanings, and the one we're looking at today is time. Okay, so if we go back here, so an will caitheamh aimsire agat, and caitheamh means to spend. Caitheamh airgid, spending money. So caitheamh aimsire, okay, spending time, like a pastime, a hobby. How do you spend time? So what do you do to spend? What do you do? How do you spend your time? An will caitheamh aimsire agat. Do you have a hobby? An will caitheamh aimsire agat. So repeat that again after me. An will caitheamh aimsire agat. Eros arfad. And very simply, tá caitheamh aimsire agat. I do have a hobby. Tá caitheamh aimsire agat. Gach duine. Mahu, well done, mashiv. Okay. So let's have a look here at some hobbies. Okay. Is bralum ave. So I love to do dot. Ave means kind of to be, so what you like doing, what I like to be doing this, okay? So it's bralum ave. So let's have a look. Remember the question will be, an will caitheamh aimsire agat? And your response? Tá caitheamh aimsire agat. Is bralum ave ag snáv. Ma shiv. Is bralum ave ag léamh? Is bralum ave ag dausa? Or ag rinka? Dancing. Is bralum ave ag immert pelle? Is bra lom a bheith ag shenam ceol. An bhfuil catha aimsire agat? Tá catha aimsire agam. Is bra lom a bheith ag cócaracht. An bhfuil catha aimsire agat? Tá catha aimsire agam. Is bra lom a bheith ag immert le dóige. Ag immert le dóige. Is bra lom a bheith ag péintáil. An bhfuil catha aimsire agat? Tá catha aimsire agam. Is bra lom a bheith ag féachant an telefís. Cén clár telefís is fearr leat? Is fearr lom SpongeBob SquarePants. Is bra lom a bheith ag rothaíocht. Okay, let's have a look at a few more. An bhfuil catha aimsire agat? Tá catha aimsire agam. Is bra lom a bheith ag. So let's have a look at a few more. Okay. Ag immert pelle. Is bra lom a bheith ag immert pelle. We had this one as well. Is bra lom a bheith ag immert le dóige. Is bra lom a bheith ag immert golf. Is bra lom a bheith ag immert soccer. We had this one as well. Is bra lom a bheith ag snáb. Is bra lom a bheith ag immert rugby. Is bra lom a bheith ag immert kisfelle. An bhfuil catha aimsire agat? Tá catha aimsire agam. Is bra lom a bheith ag déanamh glaciaachta. So tá is agam go bhfuil cúpla daoine sa rang ag déanamh glaciaachta. Gymnastics. Okay? Is bra lom a bheith ag déanamh glaciaachta. Ag shenam ceol. Ag péintáil. Bhí sé sin agring hana féin. We had that one already. Ag péintáil. An bhfuil catha aimsire agat? Tá catha aimsire agam. Is bra lom a bheith ag tógáil greengraph. Taking pictures. Ag tógáil greengraph. Beidir gur wat leat a bheith I do greengraphador. Nor a fásan tú aníos. Maybe you'd like to be a photographer, a greengraphador. When you grow up, you're awesome tú aníos. Is bra lom a bheith ag marciacht chapel. Or just ag marciacht. Ag marciacht. Ag déanamh drámaíochta. So drama. Ag déanamh drámaíochta. Is bra lom a bheith ag léamh. Well, is bra lomsa a bheith ag léamh. Is bralam a bheith ag fécant an telefís? Is bralam a bheith ag caint le mo chairde? Talking to my friends. I think that is a favourite hobby of a lot of people in my class, which is great. Ag caint le mo chairde. Talking, ag caint, le, with, mo chairde, my friends. Ag éisteacht le ceol. Ag éisteacht le ceol. Is bralam a bheith ag cócaracht? So a lot of these we have had already, but there's no harm. Ag cócaracht. Ag immert cártaí. Is bralam a bheith ag immert cártaí? Is bralam a bheith ag dul chuig ceol chuirm? Going to a concert. There's none of that at the moment, but please God, very soon, because it's one of my favourite things to do as well. Is bralam a bheith ag dul chuig ceol chuirm? Ag immert snooker. Ag immert snooker. Ag rothaíocht. Tá clogad ar a cheann, tá sé sin an-tábhachtach. Very important, an-tábhachtach. Clogad ar a cheann. Okay, and a high-vis jacket. Okay, very important when we're out on our bikes. Clogad agus high-vis. Máisih. Is bralam a bheith ag canna? Singing ag canna. Is bralam a bheith ag imánt? Ag imánt. Agus sin é. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Just an introduction into Caitheam Aimsire. There's plenty of examples for you there. Tá galore hampli div on shin. So a lot of examples for you there. I would love if you were to send me a voice note, like a vocaroo, of you telling me your favourite hobby. An bhfuil Caitheam Aimsire agat? Tá Caitheam Aimsire agam. Is bralam a bheith ag imánt? Is bralam a bheith ag imánt agus ag canna? Okay, write it out for me as well, which would be great. And as we go on in the week, we'll be looking more and more at these. So have a great rest of your day. Send me up that work and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you for listening, and send me those voice notes. Slán go fóill, they may kind live air margin.